Hi, I'm Eric Linask with TMC. We're here at Cloud Expo in New York, and I'm talking with PGI's Tom Maurath this morning. Tom, good morning. Thanks for joining me.
Good morning. Appreciate your time today. Thank you.
So a lot of exciting things going around cloud. Probably the biggest story that I'm hearing really is that cloud adoption, interest in cloud, what people are doing in the cloud just continues to increase.
Yeah, we see that a lot too. So, PGI is a virtual meetings company. Over the last 5 years, we've actually connected over 1 billion people in over 200 million meetings for audio, web, and video conferencing. So we see that it's a model that people are using every single day, right? How do you collaborate virtually together to get things done? The cloud is a perfect fit for that. So here we are as a large publicly traded company. We've got audio products, video products, and web products, iMeet and GlobeMeet specifically, to help people connect. So what we've done is we've created a model for people that are in the cloud to sell a license, a named user license, to allow people to use audio and web and video at any time that they need to. So to collaborate with their employees, their customers, their constituents, what have you. We've built this company to handle as many phone calls, as many video conferences, as many web conferences or video conferences that you need.
Now, conferencing and video conferencing aren't new technologies. How's cloud changing how we're able to initiate those situations?
No, that's a great question. Probably the biggest thing is mobility. So by 2015, there's going to be over 1.3 billion mobile workers. So that what we've done is we've taken our services, iMeet for video collaboration and GlobeMeet for web collaboration, and created mobile applications. So now on the BlackBerry, on the iPhone, on the iPad, and even the Droid, anyone can join a meeting and collaborate, again, with things they need to get done during that day, whether they're in their office, they're on the road, they're at a meeting, they're at an airport. It's about letting people communicate when and where they need to. That's where it takes a meeting out of the office and into the cloud.
How much is how much is video conferencing really being used by the masses, or is it still almost a niche type technology?
I think it was a niche product when you had to buy a lot of hardware and have these large telepresence rooms that people were intimidated to use, or the capital investment was too much to buy. What we've done is taking iMeet down to the desktop and down to the device. So now you can do your own iMeet video meeting on your desktop with the camera built in, or on your iPad with the camera built in, or even a secondary device. So if you have a web connection, a telephone, and a camera, you can have your own desktop video. By doing that, it allows the masses, whether it's a business meeting or a school meeting or an interview or a community meeting, they can use it with the devices they have today.
Has consumer use or consumer adoption of products like Skype and other video conferencing or video communications capabilities and the ability to use those on mobiles helped extend its use in the business world?
It definitely has, right? I mean, the proliferation of people being able to use video conferencing to communicate with one another has helped with all the big players. What we really provide, though, is the business class version of that, right? Because it's great to have a video meeting, but unless your audio is 100% crystal clear, we've got 140 different local access numbers across the globe. We've got 24-hour in-language customer service support, so that if you're on a call and you need some help, you can hit *0 and talk to somebody. So it's one thing to have a call with a relative. It's another to have a business meeting that call needs to be flawless. So we use our backbone infrastructure of our audio to augment and make that video business class.
You support full HD voice?
Yes, we do.
What about WebRTC? What do you see WebRTC's role?
We're kind of on the edge a little bit about where that's going today. We're really concentrating more on the user interface as the key component right now. I think that's going to come in the next generation. I think the big component is people in the cloud today, whether you're a VAR, a distributor, a master agent, a system integrator, they're still trying to grasp how do we offer the services today. So we're trying to make it simple in a license format so that they can offer to their customers, and the technology part will come in our next iterations in the roadmap.
Do you think users of video conferencing and audio conferencing services are concerned, and should they be concerned that organizations like the NSA may be listening in or watching in to their communications?
Yeah, I don't really have much of an opinion on that one, right? I mean, I don't think so. We're talking about regular business calls and communication calls, right, with your employees and your constituents. So, we're a service provider. We enable, right, like a telephone company enables a phone call to happen, or a cable operator allows the internet to happen. We provide people allowed to communicate together, and that's our role in the market.
As a service provider, if you were asked to offer access to the government entities, to those calls, would you let your customers know?
Yeah, you'd have to talk to our legal counsel on that. I run sales and business development for the organization, so we are a publicly traded organization, right? All of our records are public, and so we're the service provider that works with the telephone companies to connect people. We're looking to offer the service to our customers that want to buy it.
Excellent. Tom, thanks for joining me this morning.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'm Eric Lanask with TMC. Follow all of our Cloud Expo coverage in the TMC Video Newsroom.